Hello friends, this video on electric charges and fields part 10 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Please make sure that you have watched all the videos till part 9 before going ahead with part 10. Now we will talk about the unit of electric charge. You must be surprised that when I talked about electric charge in the very few slides at the very beginning, why did I talk about the units that time? Because I was waiting to finish Coulomb's law. Because once I finish Coulomb's law, it becomes easier for me to explain you how do we define a unit of electric charge, right? So I was waiting for the right time to start this topic. So when I talk of units of electric charge, the SI unit is obviously Coulomb, because Coulomb was the scientist who discovered this law, and this unit was named after him in his honor. So how do we define 1 Coulomb? So there comes Coulomb's law. I told you just now, as far as magnitude is concerned, the electric force is equal to K Q1 Q2 divided by R square. Right now I am not considering the direction. Right? Now if the charges are of unit magnitude, that means let us suppose that if both the charges are of unit magnitude and the distance between them is also unit. Let us suppose if they are unit distance separated and the charges have unit magnitude. In that case, what will happen? Your force will become equal to this constant K. And what is this constant K? It is nothing but 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton. So this will be the force, right? So with this we can explain that means the charge, each of the charge is 1 Coulomb when the force of interaction between them is 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newtons, right? We can explain it like this, that we say that the charge is 1 Coulomb when the force between them is 9 into 10 to the power 9 and the distance between them is 1 meters. So 1 Coulomb is the charge that when placed at a distance of 1 meter from another charge of same magnitude in vacuum experiences an electric force of repulsion of magnitude 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton. Right? It is just that you used proper terms in proper way and defined 1 Coulomb. But basically what is 1 Coulomb? Your charge is 1 Coulomb when the two charges, each of the charges is 1 Coulomb when they are separated by a distance of 1 meter and the force or the electrostatic force between them is 9 into 10 to the power 9 newtons. Right? Okay. Thank you. Please visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thank you once again.